Ladies and gentlemen, finally you can't believe. Obviously, you now believe when I'll play the intro.
Yeah.
I now have the voice in the studio. I call you the voice because you've been faceless for quite a long time.
Yeah.
This guy sent me his song, I think quite a long. You didn't send me a song. What did you send?
I think I did send you a song, but it was a clip that you had interest in. That you eventually used for. Okay, let me not spill the beans. You can go ahead.
Yeah. And you know this party.
Upenga hakuridzirwe bhero mhembero dzangu dzazove pedo Muchandishambadza kunge Zigo tichakudanai kumabiko wakanditi.
This is the voice.
Yeah.
Banobokubvunza iwe.
Yeah.
Ndiri chii kwauri? Ndiri celebru, ndiri idol kana kuti uri munhu wanongoonawo painternet wapo.
I think basing nesong yangu you were a relevant point of reference.
Nah, thank you.
Because and that makes you kind of a celebrity.
You made me feel special.
I need to-
And I think now that melody, it resonates in the minds of a lot of people.
Yeah, true.
Those people whom I meet, they'll be like, "Muchandishambadza kunge Zigo."
Yeah.
And they actually think
Oh,
it's
for
a
real?
creation.
For real.
Yeah.
Shut up, Pink.
But what I want now is for you to blow up the same way and even more than.
Yeah.
Because I feel like in Zimbabwe, kune vanhu vane so much talent.
Yeah.
But vazhinji vacho, it's either they are not discovered or they don't get enough exposure.
True.
Saka panapa tinombopo exposure tomboona kuti how far.
Yeah.
For the start, just introduce yourself.
So my name is Kudzaishe Leonard Kombora. That is my birth name. And my artist name is Dr. Leo. I'm originally from Kadoma. I came to Harare because of work. Not for greener pastures, we say, but kind of. So I'm a lawyer. Not yet registered, but next year will be. Yeah, I guess I have a passion for music, and I did my university in Zambia. Zigo is someone who...
Not about me.
No. I'm nigga, relax.
Yeah, not about me, about
Okay,
you.
about myself. Yeah,
Yes.
okay, cool. I did my university in Zambia, and I pretty much started doing music when I was a kid. And I started recording. My first studio recording was, I think, in grade 7.
Grade 7. That
Yeah.
was 2000 and what?
Yeah, but
that
I-
was 1990 what?
No, I was born in 97. Yes. But I think I was young, probably grade 7. I don't remember my age by then, but yeah, I was a kid. So that was the first time I recorded a studio song. But throughout the time when I was in high school, I never necessarily released anything. The only time I started to have a platform was last year. That's when I launched my YouTube channel. I dropped an album. Obviously, it wasn't a success because, nobody knows me. But it was at least to create a catalog. And then just recently, I dropped a single. So, yeah, that's
We are
basically...
going to re-release it again.
Yeah, I guess so.
Remake, remastered in HD. And did you attend the chikoro or you attended school?
That question is going over my head, nigga. What you mean?
Yeah, because it's going over your head because your English really shows with the inside that you attended in a school or wider.
I guess I was always a bright kid. I was always a bright kid. I attended a former A school. Probably I could say just a B school. Is there anything called a B school? Okay, but it was a government school in Kadoma called Jameson High School. I was a boarder. It's fairly up to standard. It's like one of those schools that were made by...
Was one chirungu changu ni emphasis. I attended high school. I see for you it's effortless. But anyway, let us get into the music.
Yeah.
Today, Tulambongo Robert, the full version of what's the title of that song?
Mundirangarire.
Mundirangarire.
Yeah. I could give you a tiny background of the song. So the song talks about kuti, tese tunotoda kuti ati remember. Like the famous quote here, don't pass me by, from the Bible. When you bless me, so it's like mundirangarire pamunopa my blessings.
And I listen to some of your songs.
Yeah,
Do you know Christian undertones?
Yes, because
are you a gospel or hip hop artist or
not really,
secular?
not at all. I grew up in a Christian home. My mother was a pastor. My sisters are both, deep into ministry. My other sister's a pastor. The other sister is on her way to become a pastor.
Which church?
It's called Mountain of Hope Ministries.
Okay.
So I attend that church on the basis that my sisters go there. Yeah, so I mean, by default, the baby brother has to go to the same church. No, I'm not deep into ministry. I attend church. I love God, but ministry. If you read James, the book of James, chapter 3, not about the power of the tongue.
And you say you're not deep in ministry.
No, wait, I'm about to say something. And it talks about teachers are going to be judged the most in James 3. So I don't want to be a teacher. I don't want to be a pastor. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I'm just saying the people that do it have a higher consequence of judgment. Because imagine deceiving millions of people.
Yes.
If you are just deceiving yourself, I mean, you can pick yourself up, go along the way. I know you're Tovana who poniso wangu, but all right, never mind.
You are deep into ministry. But anyway, let's forget about that. So we are going to give you now, I think you are going to hear it first here, the full version of Mundirangarire.
Yeah.
This is what we call it Kunge Zigo.
Kunge Zigo, yeah.
So what we are going to do, Ticharids are not a big track. It's really instrumental.
Okay, in a big track, yeah.
And then banduno kono mchazonizo ndishitaze ndichiimbirira because nini haina
no pizza. Ano pizza mkomano.
So can we get into this?
I guess so, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Shoot.
It's Leo.
Yeah. Whoa.
Eternity,
that's like the studio where I record. MacD. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not MacD who recorded, it's like his nephew. But he's equal to the task though. Yeah. Whoa. Leo, son of Leo. Check. God, oh my God, mundirangarire pakupa my blessings. Me Messiah, mundisimudzire ndizova the greatest. God, oh my God, mundirangarire. Me Messiah, mundisimudzire ndizova a legend. Yeah. I'm humble enough to vuma kuti I'm replaceable, but I'm cocky enough to assume that it will be a downgrade. Flow, you know, yeah, that I H2O, bro. I guess that I don't know you, so chitambira kure uko kupenga akuri zirwe pero muchandishambadza kunge Zigo tichakoda naye.
Unonyaradzwa ndini?
Yeah, unonyaradzwa. Muchandishambadza kunge Zigo.
I've been going through a heartbreak, you know.
Really?
So ndanyaradzwa ngina.
What did they do to you, nigga?
They are not men.
Or it's just one.
That is not collectively heartbreak me.
I collectively heartbreak me. Both. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Leo, son of Leo. God, oh my God, mundirangarire pakupa my blessings. Me Messiah, mundisimudzire ndizova the greatest. God, oh my God, mundireverere pavano ndipresa. Me Messiah, mundisimudzire ndizova the greatest. Yeah. I'm humble enough to vuma kuti I'm replaceable, but I'm cocky enough to assume that it will be a downgrade. Flow, you know, yeah, that H2O, bro. I guess that I don't know you, so chitambira kure uko kupenga akuri zirwe pero muchandishambadza kunge Zigo andidadara kumabiko makanditi mbwa kunge bingo. Damn, bro.
Mbwa kunge bingo, what happened here?
I'm just talking about the people that have been hating on me, you know what I mean? Like, there's so many people that will be like low key, like they don't appreciate you. They just see you as like, I don't know how to explain it. I don't want to talk about it as if the name I haters too much, but
Anzi, my upcoming artist Santo Hashtoti Anzi kupira kudada.
I mean, like, you just know that people be hating on music, people be hating on the art, on the culture, and so many people they don't appreciate that. So in other words, subliminally, because you're saying I deserve, you know, to eat from the dustbin.
kupenga kuriziro bhero before penga kuriziro bhero pane another lyric but after that kuzonzi makanditi imbwa kunge bingo
upenyu pidigo kunge siso
ndakada kubotora makanditi imbwa kunge bingo vanazofunga kuti vananzwa mani vanofunga kuti ndinge ndakuvashanda tatopurira mberi nayo
kakatanwa nguva paichazokwana baba mundirangarire ndakasadharara nguva paichazokwana baba mundirangarire ndakasadharara zuva parichazovira mukurumbira uchasvika kucholocho zuva parichazovira mukurumbira uchasvika kucholocho vachanyora zvinonwisa mvura maringe netarenda riri pano pambozha nhare tu emoji tutsvuku tinobvira segori toto vachazama kutienzanisa
Bro. This is a prayer, and it?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah. I want to dedicate this prayer to myself because Ngoya said I on my part.
Really?
Yeah.
It's still.
I sad.
Mjiri.
And I believe a lot of people who are watching Ngoya said I also on their part. It's called Cholocho. But this is brilliant.
Yeah.
This is brilliant. No, one of the many songs that you haven't.
Yeah, I guess so.
How many also do you have?
In the album that I released, it's called Cardiac Healing. It's
Cardiac Healing.
Yeah, it's about healing of the heart. Different heartbreaks, whatever. But in this album, only 13 tracks. 13. That's 12 songs and one interlude. Yeah.
What is an interlude?
An interlude, technically in music, it's more like, the word itself, it means a break. But in the context of music, it's like an interval in between the album. Not necessarily a song, but it could be probably just a 1 minute voice over. It could be a song. It could be, but it's more like a little break that just makes the album transition into
musical jargon.
Yeah, I guess.
An EP.
An EP. The difference between an EP and an album is not necessarily technical, but it's more of an issue of size.
So half album.
Kind of, yeah. An extended playlist is probably smaller. It's not as structured and as emphasized as an album.
Well, then Zimbabwean musical scene.
Yeah.
Who is your best?
Who is my best?
Or who are your best? Who is your best? Maybe.
Who's my best? I think I would look at it on different angles. In terms of talent, it's Takura. In terms of brand success, I think I would vouch for Winky D. I wish he was my mentor because he's so successful in managing his brand. His talent is quite great as well, but I think he's reached a point where he doesn't need to prove his talent anymore because he already did that way back. And then in terms of talent, I vouch for Takura because he knows how to just make a song that's just pure and just dope, man.
In Takura, it's not like I like him.
Yeah.
My song, in I'm not.
Mzimbo,
boys.
I feel you.
What I call my upcoming someone artist. Whom you believe you would want them to be afforded an opportunity.
Upcoming artist. I think that one is difficult, but I think I would mention the usuals. I think Tanto Wavy has a unique sound. It's yet to really reach its helm. It's just still trying to find its feet. I also appreciate Michael Meggs, even though I'm not really sure about his character. I'm all about character. That's why I vouch for Winky D. Yeah, people like Winky D, Natty, who know how to manage their brands. False JT was, at the end of the day, when all has been said and done, we need to be a human being. Our culture is Ubuntu. You can't be out here trying to imitate the foreign culture. We can borrow their music, but we can't necessarily appropriate their culture to an extent where we take hip hop and then we say we take it together with the culture, because the culture has no meaning to us. We're not violent. We're not rowdy. So we take the music because it sounds good. Yeah. So I hate people who we're out here trying to be.
We are not characters from power.
Exactly. Yeah.
Where do you see yourself in 2 months?
Dude, really? Okay, you want me to talk on like from a stand with your face
2 months, but I just mean in the,
in the
near
future? In the near
Near
future. I'm just hoping that probably I'll mature in my music, because you know when you're not yet on the limelight, you are usually just focused on talent-based music. You're not necessarily yet in the space of knowing how to create bangers. So I'm hoping that probably in the next few years I'll develop the art of creating bangers, of creating music that people also want to be able to feed the music culture to be of relevance. Probably in the next 5 years, hopefully, if God makes it happen, probably I'll be at a place where I'm fairly known. I've got a greater catalog, videos, and I'll be performing. That's just my aspiration. It's not necessarily something that I'm falling back on, because I have a legal career as well, so I'm good to go.
You're now breaking.
I'm just saying, bro.
I wish you the best.
Thank you, man.
No need for you to tell people your socials or whatever. I'm going to pin all the links
Definitely.
in the description.
Yeah.
You will follow Dr. Leo.
Yeah.
And when you make my 6 routes, what else? When you make your video, I believe probably I can feature as a fiction. No
problem, bro. Yeah, you can go drip.
Plus my song and you wrote my dance for now. So you will follow him on the socials that I'll put in my link. Go and stream his music on YouTube and support him the same way that you support us here on Zigo TV. And with that, we are out.
Yep.